Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add card to PayPal. So first you need to search for the PayPal and log in into your PayPal account. So once you log in into your account, you simply need to go on to the finance and click on banks and cards. Click on that option. Wait for a few seconds here. And here you can see option of credit and debit cards. So you simply need to click on link a card. And on the next window you can add your debit or credit card number, card type, expiration date, security code and billing address, and then you need to click on link card. So this is the process how you can add card to PayPal. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.